Hey everyone! Today, I have an exciting work from home opportunity for you. If you're looking for a remote job that offers flexibility and a chance to help others, then this might be perfect for you. Let's dive in. The job I'm sharing today is with LabCorp, a leading global life sciences company. They are currently hiring for a customer service support representative position. This role is fully remote, so you can work from the comfort of your home. Let's go over the details. As a customer service support representative at LabCorp, you'll be working from 11 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Your main responsibilities will include acting as a liaison between LabCorp, customers, and patients, resolving routine customer requests via inbound and outbound calls or the internet, providing product education and handling a variety of questions to ensure a world-class customer experience. One of the best parts about this job is that you don't need a lot of experience to get started. LabCorp provides training to help you navigate their systems and protocols. Plus, you'll be working with a supportive team that values your contributions. Here are some of the benefits of working with LabCorp. Remote work. Enjoy the flexibility of working from home. Supportive environment. Work with a team that values your input and helps you grow. Impactful work. Help patients and customers with their needs, making a real difference in their lives. If you're interested in applying, the process is simple. Just visit the LabCorp careers page and search for the customer service support representative position. I'll also leave the link in the description below. Once you apply, you'll go through a straightforward application process. If selected, you'll receive training to get you up to speed. It's a great opportunity for anyone looking to start a career in customer service or make a switch to a remote job. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more job leads and work from home opportunities. Thanks for watching and good luck with your job search.